I just came across this encampment here. It's like a primitive seating restaurant situation. Assalamu alaikum. And there's a street barber here. I fancy cleaning myself up, getting nice and fresh, ready for Peshawar. Kaise ho? Acha, acha. But this guy is getting himself treated first. So, why don't we get a drink?
I'd love it. You know what? I'm gonna get a Mountain Dew.
Oh, wow.
Hi, how are you, brother?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Oh,
How are
great.
you, man? From where you?
From England.
England?
Yes.
See here, tour?
No, we're just travelling through Pakistan on the trains.
Achha, you are in touring visa?
Yes, tourist visa.
Tourist
Yeah,
visa.
yeah, that's right, yeah.
Okay, this is a very beautiful place, Islamabad.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Loving it.
Yeah, so you captured the mountains. And what about weather? You like it weather?
It's a little bit cold.
Little bit cold.
Little bit cold for
I
me.
have a friend in England.
Yeah.
He said that there is very cold weather.
Yeah, it's very cold there. It's warmer than England, but still a little bit cold.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Let's see what cool drinks we can get. See if we've got any Mountain Dew.
Because I had one the other day. Oh, and it tingled my taste buds.
Well, here's a little shop here in this area. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, sir. Acha. It's got a fridge.
Look,
Help
you can
help
have
yourself.
a drink.
Oh, very nice.
Do you like one?
Yeah, I'll have an apple juice.
Oh, aren't we exotic today?
Hey. I normally would have got a mango, and Paige normally would have got 7-Up. So
Just behind the Mountain Dew.
look at that. We're changed people.
And look at all these interesting sweets.
Different desserts and all sorts. But just a drink for me at this point. You want anything?
I don't think so.
No? Just 2 drinks, please. 120. Acha. You can keep the It's okay, you can keep it. Okay, shukriya, shukriya. There we go, got nice cold drinks. We can just sit here and wait to have a nice fresh shave. That'll be a good, won't it? People just eating their breakfasts and hand making, rolling up some dough by the looks of it. A little baker there, and some wild chickens roaming around.
It's like a little settlement, isn't it?
It is very nice. It's very, very nice. All right. Well, we could perch ourselves here, can't we? Yeah. Look forward to getting a proper Pakistani street shave. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Lovely crisp apple in the morning. Just what you want. That is delightful. What a nice friendly smile he's got. Assalamu alaikum. आप नाम क्या है?
नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम इलाम सफीर.
Ilham Safir. Nice to meet you, Ilham. I will put my bag here and take off my many layers of this Islamabad winter. My fake North Face that I found in a Rawalpindi market. And my Sainsbury's jacket, which I found in a Karachi market. The seat is on some rocks. Oh, there's a seat for you. Ah, great. Amazing. Oh. Okay. Yes, clean shave.
Clean shave.
Clean shave on beard.
No.
Mustache. Not clean shave. I like my mustache. Mustache. My mustache. Who? It's me. He's got a nice mirror. All of his utensils and products. What more could you want? And it's you guys always tell me I need to ask for the fresh blade. It's fresh blade, new one. New one. Okay, great, fresh. Oh yeah, it's got them in there. Amazing. Okay. I just heard Europe. Europe.
टिकट फ्री मेलविन
मैं इंग्लैंड से. England. England. Josh Butler.
England. Okay. England. Birmingham.
Birmingham. Not Birmingham. Newcastle.
इंग्लैंड में तुम्हारा आधा पाकिस्तान है जितने हमारे चोरियां करते हैं तो उधर ही जाते हैं
I don't know if Jack's pointed it out, but the seat is literally a chair on a bunch of rocks. It's a lot of trust you're putting in this man.
It's a perfect height. These are all having a right laugh, these fellas. I've got leaves falling on me. We're all creamed up and ready here in this roadside settlement. Got the sun shining in my face. I'm all lit up. He's got clean razors in that box. Absolutely. Getting it all out. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. There we are, guys. There's the proof, isn't it? There's the clean razor for you. Since you're all so adamant that I need to ask every time I make one of these videos. That apple juice did the trick. Nice, cold, crisp apple in the morning. And here we go.
बड़ा मसला है उधर ये रंग लगाने का नहीं है इसकी इजाजत नहीं है मेरे को रंग लगाने की इजाजत नहीं है रंग का ये लाइसेंस लेगा
Wow, he's got Charlie's got very good technique already. Kitna years by have you been shaving? I don't think there's any English spoken here. अंग्रेजी बोलती है नहीं? अंग्रेजी बोलती है? नहीं. No problem. मैं उर्दू थोड़ी बोलता हूँ. अच्छा. कितना years आप barber shaving? कितना years? 5 years? 10 years? 5 years? You know? Experience. Cha. Because we've done the expensive, you know, the fancy top-rated barbers of Karachi, and we are here on the roadside in Islamabad. Showing both sides of a coin, aren't we? Few stung there. Few of them just hurt a little bit there, but when I close my eyes in that sun, I feel like I'm in some sort of salon. Could just fall asleep. And here's round 2. There's a chicken, it's just beside me on the road there somewhere.
Giving me the goody-goodies because I don't think chicken's legs are normally that big.
Where is the chicken?
Guys, are chickens' legs usually this big? I think that's abnormal. Oh, you're getting a haircut.
Hey, it's alright, doesn't it? Getting a phone call now, mate.
Hello?
Well, it's going alright. Got a couple of cuts. But just doing round the ears, doing a bit of the haircut. Hair's all over the place, isn't it? Yeah. Beard's grown in plenty since the last visit to the barbers that we had in Karachi. But yeah, nice and fresh. We'll get some things to sort of sort out a few of the little cuts and stuff there, but it's not the end of the world. It's only a few tiny little red marks. But oh, nice little place this is. Guy was very happy, very chirpy, and greeted me with a nice big smile. So that's all you can ask for. As I sit under this tree, he's having a nice shave. He's just having a little 5-minute break on the phone now. He's a popular man, this fella. With all of his bookings coming in. Chicken's coming for you.
It's really scaring me. Guys, I am sure Chicken's legs are not this big.
Time for the moustache.
Lunch. Okay.
Okay. खूबसूरत बहुत खूबसूरत Zabardast, yes. I feel nice and fresh here in the sun. This nice man. Thank you very much. Thank you. You kidnap Peshawar for a haircut here in the settlements here of Islamabad.
बस यार दे दो मुनासिब
Kidnap?
कितना
It's asking this boy, yeah.
कितना 500,000
How much is a haircut here? How much is a shave here?
3,000 काफी
Hey kidna. Punch? 5? Which? 500?
हाँ
500? 500?
हाँ जी
He's answering the phone. I don't know which one it is. Sorry, I still don't know which price.
प्राइस क्या है आपकी पैसे कितने लोगे तो थैंक्स तू नहीं था मोर इंग्लिश नहीं लैंग्वेज नो प्राइस वो है ना नो थैंक्स
I kidnap Pesa for the money. I have.
कह रहा कोई मसला नहीं है
Oh no, brother, you've got a new razor and your time. No, it's my wish. My wish, brother. It's my wish. You take this, okay? Okay. And buy a nice big jacket.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Okay. Shukriya.
Okay, okay.
Bahut shukriya. Okay. Shukriya.
Thanks.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Goodbye.
Right. There we are. There's our. Just, he didn't even want any money.
No money.
No money at all.
But he gave you a shave.
Full shave. All these different treatments that he's got. You know. See, whether it's the highest rated salon in Karachi, or whether it's just if it's just a little barber shop here on some rocks beside this settlement area, the hospitality here in Pakistan is just crazy. It's so overwhelmingly nice. But yeah, hopefully that bit of money will help him just a little bit. Allah Hafiz, shukriya.
Okay, bye.
And trying to get my coat back on. Assalamu alaikum. What a beautiful building this is. Let's give him about £15 there, so you know it's not the most mind-blowing amount of money or whatever, but hopefully it should just help him along the way. Maybe he can take some time off, spend with his family, buy himself a nice big winter coat, you know. So yeah, what a nice little shave. Stumbled across that randomly, so yeah. Thank you very much for accompanying me to that street shave, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.